whatever it is, it's still there. Wellsville's always an adventure. Screwed up thing, he put his front tires up on that ledge, one hop, I mean barely at all, broke his transfer case. The screwed up part about this whole thing is, last year when I come down through here, all these guys were parked right here, they broke in the same exact spot. It doesn't make any sense. This spot's cursed, you guys can't come back to this spot next year.
I actually put tires. That thing is, I made that thing like 30 times before. I made it.
Not this time. 31's too many.
Yeah, I know, right? I was on that yesterday. Fucking crescent wrench.
All right, drive shafts out. Time the front dig his way all the way out of here.
Surprised we haven't ran.
Well, we drug that Toyota all the way back to camp, up some muddy hills and everything. I don't know how I got the traction to do it, but that thing was a lot lighter than me, so that helped. So cranked that thing up and up the hills and drug it all the way back to camp. He got it loaded up on a trailer, jumped in here since I had an open passenger seat today, and we've been ripping around, having a good time. We just climbed some gnarly hill, and it was super fun. I had to throw all the horsepowers at it, and it was throwing some mud because it's a mess out here. But super fun, and we're gonna go hit this trail headed up towards the rock garden, so we'll see where we end up in a little bit. we made it over to Lookout, checking out the view over here. Place is packed, real busy up top. Pretty common for a event weekend like this. So I'm gonna take a little break here and then hit the trail in a little bit. I imagine the sun's gonna go down here shortly and it's gonna cool off real fast. So got my heated jacket on, I'm ready to go.
Especially junkyard park.
Yeah. That thing is sweet. I'm with the Toyota guys who I'm always harassing about their shit breaking. And now it's my turn. All right, so we're stopped at the top of Chicken Coop and I'm running into some problems. These guys noticed that my trailing arm is twisted a little bit, and after some inspection, I found that the mount's ripping off the chassis, probably from beating the snot out of it at Windrock. So right now it's twisted. This shaft is bent a little bit. This shock is broken off and just kind of caught on the lip of the trailing arm. And these mounts are, they're tied in with the gussets right now is the only thing holding it. This is ripped. This one is ripping. The gussets are holding it. I'm just hoping we can make it to the road so I can get this thing back to the truck without having it all fall apart. So we'll see what happens, but at least we got some kind of footage of it before any major destruction. And pray for us, we'll see what happens. All right, real fortunate to have some help. Really glad that those guys were there and made sure I got to the road. Thanks to the Toyota crew for that. Drove down the road okay, no problems, just tried to take it easy. Made it back to the truck and we're good to go. I just got it loaded up and I'm out of here. So we'll look at all those problems in the shop once we got some real lighting and cover the repairs on here. We'll see what we can come up with for fixing that, making it stronger so that it never happens again. That's always the goal. You know, if you're gonna fix it, make it tougher if you can. So let me get this thing loaded the rest of the way and strapped down, head on home.